Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear. We have Wish Wednesday, guys. You know what that means. I have a song for you, and this time we have you, Midnight. You asked for this song from Jack White. It's called What's Done Is Done. It's a very good song because it's beginner friendly, very simple to play, 3 chords, very straightforward. So we're gonna go into that. Midnight, thank you for being here on this channel. And how can someone who asks for a song thank me? I'm gonna tell you, the best way to thank me is to go and check out my new YouTube channel. It's called Gordon Guitar 6 Strings Ago. I'm gonna put the link down up here somewhere. The difference from this channel is that you're gonna learn a full song from the beginning till the very end. For instance, this song, I will sit down and play this from start till end and show you the chords, and you can just follow along. It's a playthrough, basically. So a nice way to teach you guys. So go in there and subscribe to my channel, be a member there. That's the way you're gonna thank me. So thank you so much, Midnight, for doing that. Now let's go into your song, Jack White. Okay, so no need for any capo here. We have only 3 chords, like I said, so we're gonna start with them first. We have G, so that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord is D. That goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have C. 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have a string pattern that goes like this with G. Okay, so it's about 6 downs in total. We're gonna divide it into 2 parts because of the ending later on. I'm gonna show you why, but still we have a total of 6 downs. The first, the second, and the third down will be the part 1, so, and then part 2 will be the last 3 downs, but on the 4th down, or the first down in this part 2, if that makes sense, you're gonna go on down and play on the higher strings, because that is pretty much where the beat goes. So 1, 2, 3, and then on the 4th, go down all the way down to the higher strings down here, and then 5, 6, and the bass mid area again. So a full round of 6 downs will be bass, 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 top, bass, bass. That is 1 string around. Now, we can start with the first verse, and that goes to play G, 2 string rounds, then D, 4, and back to G, 2. So it both starts and ends on G. So 1 round in verse play goes like this. Right, and that is actually the first verse, but you're gonna play the first 2 verses right after each other. So you're gonna play this part for 2 times, okay? After that second verse comes the chorus, about 44 seconds in. And yes, what you're gonna play now is C2, full string rounds, then G2, back to C2, then D2 plus 1 down and the pause. I'm gonna play that for you. It goes like this: C, and 1 down. The pause, the length of that is as if you would play and finish out 4 full string rounds on D, but you're not. You're just playing the first down and then you stay for 2 more rounds, so to speak. That's the length of the pause. After that, you're gonna turn back to this 3rd verse. You're gonna play that in the same way as you played the previous verses, no changes there. Then comes after that a solo part. And that solo part is to play the verse play for another 2 rounds. So G2, D4, G2 for 2 times. And that's it. And then you're gonna play the second chorus, and that is played exactly the same way as the first one we just learned. Then we have the outro part left, and this is the reason for why we're having this split in the strumming when it comes to the first part, the 3 downs, and the second part, the last 3 downs. You're gonna play almost the same as the verse play, but you're gonna play now G2, then D4, starts in the same way, and then you have G part 1, okay? So that means you have the first 3 downs, and then you're gonna go to C, part 1 again, the first 3 downs, and then you're gonna end on 1 down on the beautiful G. I'm gonna play that ending for you now, so it goes like this. And that is how I finish up Jack White's What's Done is Done. Great song. Thank you, Midnight, for being here on this channel. And don't forget to go and check out my other channel, Gordon Guitar 6 Turns Ago. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed it, everybody. If you are a Jack White fan, then please like this tutorial as well if you liked it. And for all the other guys, the same goes there. Check out my other channel. It's very helpful and great for us. So thank you so much, and until next time, play tuned.